Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn lesson number 10, that is our sense organs. Here you are going to learn identify the sense organs of the body and understand their functions, understand the need of cleanliness and protection of sense organs. Here one day what happens? One day the teacher of class 3 was on leave. Third class teacher was absent. In that day, students were making a lot of noise. You also do same things when a teacher will if a teacher is absent, you also do same thing only. One of the other teachers came to the class to stop the noise. Hearing that noise, the other teacher will enter the class. He asked the students to identify the parts of the body. What he asked the students? Don't do the noise, you have to identify your parts of the body. You have already identified the parts of the body in class 2nd. With your friends, identify the parts of the body given in the picture. Already you know the parts of the body in previous class. Okay, what is this? This is eyes, head, nose, mouth, neck, ear, hand, finger, leg. These are all our parts of the body. Then, after identifying the parts of the body, again the teacher will say to the students, you have identified the parts of the body, haven't you? Now sit down silently, write here what you have observed or experienced. Okay, from your body what you observed or experienced you have to write. For example, the fragrance of flower, the sound of bus, sight of kitchen garden. Okay, you will see the objects around the world with your eyes only. How did you get these experience? Which organs helped you to experience them? Right in the space. Okay, you will see the objects from eyes, you will hear sound from your ear, you will fragrance the flower from your nose. Okay, and first organ, eyes. This is our eyes. A few children were playing the blindfold game. When a Chaitra was blindfolded, she suddenly screamed, "Oh, I can't see anything. How can I search?" Okay. They make the group of children, they are playing. Which game they are playing? Blindfold game. Blindfold means you have to close your eyes and you have to search your friends. Why did Chaitra not see anything? Because she is blind. Blindfold yourself, try to identify your friends or things. Okay, you also do same thing, play with your friends. Which game? Blindfold. One of them, blindfold the eyes and search your friends. Eyes help us to see the surroundings, environment. They help us to identify the sizes, shapes and colors of the things and their distance from us. Okay, from eyes only you will look the objects in the world. Okay, whether that is small or big or far or near. Okay, all these things you will see from your eyes only. When Manju was coming to school, some dust fell into his eyes. He rubbed it, the eye became red and started watering. The teacher took him to the doctor. The doctor treated him immediately. He also gave him some information about the eyes. Eye is very sensitive part. Okay, our eye is very sensitive part. If dust, insects, etc. enter the eyes, you should not rub it. Then what you have to do? It causes problem to the eye. You should wash the eye with clean water and consult a doctor. When some dust or an insect enter to your eyes, don't rub it. You have to clean your eye with clean water. You should take care of your eyes. Okay. Here some pictures are there. What you have to do, put right mark to the picture which are right and put right mark to the picture which are wrong. Okay. See, in here in this picture, in girl's eyes some dust is entered. What's she doing? She is washing with clean water. This is correct. While here, a girl, when a dust is entered to the girl eyes, she is rubbing with hands. This is wrong. And here, a girl is reading in the dark room where light is not there. This is wrong. Here, a boy is reading in the light room. The presence of light is reading. This is right. Here, boy is playing with pataki where a girl is far away from the pataki. This is right. Here, a boy is near to the pataki. This is wrong. Next organ, ears. Then what is the use of ear? Blindfold the eyes of your friends. Produce different sounds like ringing of the bell, cry of a bird, blowing of a whistle, etc. Ask your friends to recognize the sounds. In the same way, ask them to identify the other sounds also. They should also say the direction from which the sound is coming. Okay. When you will fold your eyes, or when you are blind, fold the eyes, you will hear the sounds from ear. Okay. Even from which direction you are hearing the sounds also you will recognize. Ears give us a sense of sound. Then which organ will give you to this sense of sound? Ear. With the help of the ears, we recognize various sounds. Dhoom blasted the cracker. Tommy, frightened by this sound, started to run in the direction of the sound. A bursted particle fell on the Tommy's ear and wounded it. Tommy was Chandana's pet dog. Okay. How is Tommy? Tommy was Chandana's pet dog. Chandana took Tommy to the veterinary doctor immediately. The doctor treated Tommy's ear and showed a poster to Chandana about the protection of ears. Here some picture is there. Some picture are they put a wrong mark. Some picture are right mark. Then tell me why they put this picture as wrong and this picture as right. Because in this picture a boy is putting stick in the ear. Okay, you don't do this. This is wrong one. When she is if the ear is, if anything what happens to the ear, you have to show the doctor. This is right mark. Next organ, nose. Get a flower or a leaf that has good smell. Then how will you find the fragrance of the flower or a leaf? Okay, from nose only. Rub it against your palm and keep it in your palm. It is good to take jasmine flower, tulsi curry or nilagiri leaves which have strong smell. Okay. And ask your friends to identify what is in your palm. Ask them to know how they identified it. How will you identify the smell of flowers or fruits or leaves? You will identify the smell from nose only. The nose smells everything, isn't it? The nose is an essential organ of respiration. Then how will you respire? will respire by nose only. Sometime you will respire by mouth. One homework for you, what you have to do, make a list of 10 items that we can identify by their smell only. Okay, then what are which items you will identify the smell, you have to list. For example, flower, in that jasmine, marigold. Okay, like that you have to write at least 10 items. Next organ, tongue. Today there is something special in the midday meals in Ramesh's school. Okay, there is paisa, lemon, rice, chili, bonda, bitter gourd, gravy, etc. Which of these items do you like most and why? Okay, in one day Rama's school special meals is there. Okay, which items are there? Paisa, lemon rice, bitter gourd, gravy, chili, bonda. Okay, what you have to do, write the taste of these items. I will tell at least 1 2, remaining you have to write in your classwork book. How the taste of paisa? Paisa is so sweet. Then how the taste of lemon rice? Lemon rice is kata. Bitter gourd gravy bitter. Chili bonda is not sweet. This is some snacks type. Okay, then how do you know the tastes of these items? How do you know the taste of the items? For what other functions do you use your tongue? Okay, we'll know the taste of items from tongue. Tongue helps to taste food items. Tongue pushes the food items towards the teeth to chew. Tongue helps us to speak. Okay, without tongue you can't speak only. One activity is there for you. There are few sentences below. Read them carefully. Correct the wrong sentence and write them. Okay, some sentences are there. You have to read, and which sentence is wrong, you have to correct that sentence. When we brush our teeth every day, we should not clean our tongue with our fingers. This will prevent emissions of foul smell. No, this sentence is wrong. You have to clean your tongue also, not only teeth. After taking food, we should not wash our mouth. This will help us to keep the tongue and teeth clean. No, you have to wash your mouth before and after eating. We should eat food items which are too hot and too cold. This will help the tongue to taste it better. No, you can't eat food which is too hot. Okay, if the food is normal, that food you have to take. If you keep sharp things in your mouth, tongue will not be wounded. No, if you keep sharp things in your mouth, tongue will be wounded. Next organ, skin. Okay, Mummy, it is paining, cried Tara. Okay, who is cried? Tara. Everyone around was surprised. Tara pointed at Asha and said that she had pinched her. Okay, if anybody pinched to you, what will happen? She will feel some pain. Why did Tara experience pain when Asha pinched her? How will you know that the food served to you is hot or cold? If the food is hot or cold, then how will you know? From your skin only. Blindfold your eyes and start touching the things that you come across. Will you able to identify them? How were you able to identify? If you are blindfold, if anybody comes in front of you, how will you be able to identify from their hours? Or if you touch, you their body, that time we will identify the people who are coming. Okay, our entire body is covered with skin. We feel hot, cold, softness and hardness of things when they come in contact with the skin. We also experience touch and pain. Some homework for you, fill in the blanks with appropriate words. We take bath and keep our body dash clean. Eating fruits and vegetables keep our skin dash clean. If we don't keep our skin clean, we may get dash disease, skin disease. Taking oil bath once in a while will keep our skin soft. We experience dash when a blade or any sharp object touches the skin, pain. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin help us to see, hear, smell, taste and touch. Therefore, these 5 organs are called as sense organs. If the question may asked for you, how many sense organs are there? 5 sense organs are there. What are they? You have to write eyes, ears, nose, tongues and skin. These are sense organs. Okay children, thank you.